Hello, my name is Sandhya and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are preparing Panchmel Khichdi. This is a very nice dinner option. The ingredients list for this dish is given in the description box below. Before you move into the video, do not forget to subscribe and click the bell. And also like, share and comment. So to prepare the khichdi, we need some vegetables like cauliflower, green peas, green beans, carrot and some potatoes. I've cubed them and put them in water and kept it ready. I've also cubed some onion. I've got some cumin seeds in here, some chopped tomato, some grated garlic and ginger, and some spice powders like cumin powder, coriander powder, red chilli powder and turmeric powder here. We'll also need some ghee to cook this dish in. So in here I've got 4 types of dal, 1 tablespoon each of tuvar dal, masur dal, moong dal and chana dal. I've washed, cleaned and soaked them for 15 minutes in some water. In here I've got long grain basmati rice, which again I have washed and cleaned and soaked for 15 minutes in some water. I've placed a pressure cooker on medium heat. I've poured some ghee into it. Now let's add the cumin seeds. We'll wait for the cumin to splutter. Once the cumin has spluttered, we'll add in the garlic and ginger. We'll just cook it for a minute. Once that's done, we'll add in the onion cubes. Let's saute this until they soften. The onions are ready, so in goes the vegetables. We'll saute that for a minute as well. Now in goes the spice powders. Mix it well so that it coats the vegetables. We'll also add in the chopped tomatoes. Let's saute them for a while. Now I've drained the dal and I'm going to add that into this. Mix well. Now we'll add the drained rice also into the pressure cooker. Mix the rice well with the masalas. Now let's add salt to taste and hot water. I'm taking 3 cups of water in here. Mix everything well. Now we'll close it with a lid and cook it for 2 whistles on medium heat. Once the pressure releases, I've opened the pressure cooker. Now I'm using a fork to just mix everything. Let's transfer this into a bowl. So the khichdi is ready to be served with some raita and some papad. Do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll be back next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye bye.